standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kind of crowded here, but I know you see. Hey everyone, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Ari here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. I just wanted to come to you guys with like a quick little tutorial, but yet detailed at the same time, on this braided protective style that I'm currently rocking right now. I absolutely love the way it came out. It was just like, I don't know, this is just a lifesaver for me because I'm constantly on the go and I just needed my hair to be away and my hands out of it and protected from the cold and all that good stuff. So this braided hairstyle has definitely saved me some time and energy. And let me just take it down so I can show you guys the full effect of it. I did kind of do a different type of box braided hairstyle. I decided to add cornrows to the sides of my head and also in the center. And this you could definitely wear any kind of way. You saw I had it up, half down. You could wear it to this side, and then you could also flip it over and wear it on that side if you choose to. And I just love how this hairstyle came out. It's just, this is my first time doing it, so I'm kind of proud of myself and all that good stuff. So props to me. But if you're interested in seeing this video, definitely stay tuned. The details of everything I used for this style will be down in the description box below. The only thing I didn't add was the hair jewelry that I was able to purchase at my local beauty supply store. So just go to any of your local beauty supply stores and you should be able to find this like cute gold hair jewelry. And I forgot to mention in the video how many packs of hair I used. I used about 2.5 packs, and that's about 7 of those bundles that you'll see. But if you watch the video, you'll definitely understand what I'm talking about. I used 7 of the bundles, but like that was about 2.5 packs, and each pack cost about $6.99. So, and I had hair left over, so that was more than enough. If you have a smaller head, you'll probably have to use less hair, but also if you want these jumbo braids, you might have to use like about the same, or if you want them any bigger, you have to use more. So it's definitely up to you, and I hope you guys like this video. So without further ado, just continue watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. After I did the braids, the hardest part was doing these parts. I tried to do like the diamonds or triangle parts that you usually see, like that are trendy now, but I wasn't able to like do it to my 100%. So I don't know. I did attempt to do them, and it came out okay so far. I mean, I like it. They're not perfect, which is why I do like them, because nothing in this world is perfect. So I'll show you guys the back. So then after I did the parts, I braided them individually, as you can see in the front. And then I just added a little bit of shea butter. This shea butter right here to my ends, just to keep my hair moisturized while they're in their braids. And then I just took a little bit of gel on top of that and braided each section individually. So this is what you see. I did all over my head. The hair that I used is the 3-time glance formation braiding hair, and this is from the brand Model, and this is what the hair looks like. It comes with 3 of these like bundles that you see here, and they're already like frayed at the bottom, so you don't have to do it yourself. So let's just get started. So since the hair already comes frayed for you and combed out and everything and ready to go, I just took like medium-sized pieces like this, maybe a little thicker than that. I'm just gonna add a little bit more hair, and then because I wanted these to be jumbo, I didn't want to have like tiny braids in my hair. I wanted it to be like really big braids, so that way to take down will be even easier. And it's also better for your hair. When you're doing these protective styles, you don't want to have tiny braids, because then your hair is more prone to breakage, and then it's like, why even do the protective style to begin with? So you want to do like medium to chunky braids when you're doing it, because you know you don't want your hair to break while it's in its protective style. So like I said, I took some of the hair from that bundle that you saw, about this much, and just made sure it was like even all the way down. And then we're gonna start off in the back, and this braid is kind of chunky, but I'm still gonna be able to hide it. So what I did was take the hair and wrap it around like so, and you see I put that braid through the hoop, and then I just started like using the braid as like a third party, like that. And then I just took some hair from each side to kind of hide the braid. And I also took little pieces like this, about this size, and added that. So I'll take this like that, put it underneath this right here, and then just start braiding. And then it should just seamlessly add to the braid so that you don't get that like loop. See? Now, and then I just keep braiding down. But you see how my hair is starting to come out right there? So I'm just gonna do it over. So what I did to keep the thickness of the braid like almost all the way down, I just kept feeding the braid, and I just added that to this like so, and just kept braiding. And then I just basically did that throughout my entire head. So I'm just going to finish these braids, and you guys can continue watching. If you need to watch it a couple times just to kind of get the hang of the way I did the braids, definitely do that, and just keep on watching. Yeah, the braids are pretty long. I love the way it came out. It came out so cute. Look at the, yes. Then you can flip it this way, whichever style. Or if you want, you could put it up and still have the triangle but braid look in the front, you know, give it that little extra edgy look. Right now, I'm going to show you guys what I do to just keep the ends secure. So what you know, just keep everything together. Just lock in your braids. And then after that, I just want to add some of the Jiovanni mousse to my hair. And you could skip this step if you're not really a fan of mousse. So this step is definitely optional. But for me, I just wanted to add that extra security to the braids and just eliminate any flyaway hairs that might be still lingering after I braided my hair. And then I did bring my infamous gel so that I could just lay my edges a little bit. Finished look. I thank you guys for watching this video. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment. Leave any comments that you guys have in the description box. And I thank you guys for watching. Again, give me your ideas, give me your thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. If you decide to try it, definitely tag me in that video or any pictures that you guys post. All my social media will be down below in the description box as well as all the products that I used in this video to achieve this look. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.